Yada se papa pansama asie no ene yade browser Badwam kase ne obetie wo mu bi eni esan school feeding na eni waja akra MA basic school nti ha dusuafo ene wa chechefo yade sansam no ebebro na fe yakọ na yakọhwe osofo a ohwe lands and natural resources so Emmanuel Armah-Kofi Buah kire emu a 2462 no de nti a wonu masesemu eno ne nsem bi na no pay Mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube kwadom online.com sansem weni nsem enkaye ewo bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni chemu ankasa etie esan school feeding ya eni waja Accra MA Basic School at Kwanta South. Wotimante Monteno, Yasi Amadishia, any other chair, Enquy, Sedenka, was a corner. Adom TV Cassie, etwaso.
Abra Dominus in Centroni or Brempon, Usu, Ecopiemo, Ewosuku Hono, Watchra, Sukun Quadei, and I'm say, school feeding programme, Womo Enye Duane, Enintino, Edu break time, and Quadei. Edwane kofie akohu wonam awofonum na ebusua se edwane bi apai se ye benku anase fufuo na womo apebi edi ansa na womo asamba school etichafo bi a womo ne Adom News nsentwofo twetwe nkomo Kenneth Kawunda womo di tudwa se yade ha adwene pa
so omo kafie sa ansa na omba banya edwane omo afun be fra afun ba omo nya edwane anua ombedi asaba school na is almost closing so ayedi maye so e besre the philanthropists and other stakeholders say on be boy feeding program say na be ya nkoda no ya dachi nkoda no na omodusu nimnu ebekọ enem
School Improvement and Support Officer KJB North Adams Musa enso de adesede eto school feeding secretariat enim se womo enye omomwa na omuntimi nya school feeding program enuane bi ema nkwada no
nyamita be hunu se nkwada ye bo break se cream omukọ kuruma asa omomba biu den ehia omo aduane enye so ko ehia ofi omo pani omedi nti yesre ankran ni association ni abanse omo boye na yenya feeding program ewo wajakura ha eba ne sa eba boye nkwada yi papa ko sa nkwada ta dwane kofie ekopa aduane di teachers fasa ko pom musa mbre school mu ha adwemi ta ba meba mre bi mi hu akwada biara oso mo kopa aduane adi
Lands and natural resources so Emmanuel Armah-Kofi Buah na ene wo chechiremu ni ntia act 2462 no wono mo asesam mu ayen sakraye wo mu sense bia ibeyi e de afri ho.
We have taken the most important step to make sure that the real issue that was the concern of the people of Ghana, how do we ensure that there is no more new licenses issued in forest reserve? And we've taken the heart of that in Act 2462. I am aware of the concerns that has been raised, and as a listening government, I can tell you that the Attorney General, working closely with the Minister for Environment, Science and Technology with our support, are looking at all of that. Exactly what must we do to take the portions which are the reason why the whole act was not repealed, take it up and repackage it. But what is good for the people of Ghana is that we move quickly to make sure we can take out the power of the president to authorize money in new forest reserve, and in 21 days that will become law and nobody will have access to a forest reserve.
Promoter suni nyina fa mind no osofo Emmanuel Armah-Kofi Buah lands and natural resources so na wode to minerals commission animo se wonye ensakraya wonye niema hodo a ebetumi aboa ma yen mo mineral resources no so bibia betumi akoye
so for oshensa senimu adodode so Emmanuel Armah-Kofi Buah akyerɛkyerɛ hyehyɛ bi a wɔde ba abɛsakra nneɛmam ɛwɔ man Ghana fuma gudie to adwuma ekuonim hwemu sɛ ka ho bi ɛbɛboa ama ɔman sikasɛm akɔsoro akwansara wɔkɔɔyɛ ɛwɔ minerals commission ɛna wɔkyerɛmu sɛ saa so yi ɛka ho bi ɛna ɔman sikasɛm kɔsoro ne senti ɛho behia ɔne adwuma ekuonim mpanimfoɔ ebedi nkita ho na hyehyɛ fata no ɔde egu akwam.
I note that since 2014 the mining policy is the same mining policy is what is guiding us. Luckily, there has been steps that has already been taken. So you see, and thank you for that leadership. But it is not complete. My task is to move with the speed of light, working with you to overhaul the whole mining policy within the shortest possible time.
And which Penimpa or Minerals Commissioner no Ura Martin I see editor just say good unkwa ede Ghana sika or pepe duba kwechiri ponum ena eba o meimu afrase ye chire se saa so ye ehia o my Ghana mpuntu akasa.
40% of the 11.5 billion came from small scale, and that's more or less, if my math is right, that's about 22%. So if you like,
Yaguswa was share lands and natural resources and one some now so for Emmanuel Armah-Kofi Buah so and a dear 2 days or bar hono and ya dear so who drone beer share baby a ye 2 FM a good year said ye na etieno.
Wafa wa shensa seni munyapade so Emmanuel Armah-Kofi Buah ekoye ewo Minerals Commissioner so ye and wodi to just say a free say oye was wafo won hu drone a wo kire se wode enam wiem ehwe akwambone ani pebenu fa so to afuma gudie ekokọ kire wo mu a abandada no eka se wonum eye na o kire we no ama ekwan bia beda dwuma wodie e dia bra Galamsey no emu ewo mayimo.
I know that using modern technology is very critical in this work. And I think from here, I'm going to see some geofencing activities you guys have done here and see how we can even make it bigger and expand it. Yes, there was reports of drones and other things. We, interministerial committee, but I can tell you that it's probably part of the things we are looking at.
Na wachira hu be hia sempeni fodi wona besi fom efri panyine sukosi abofra so na obi bia ede na hoden aboa amotimi akọ Galamsey wo mai emu.
So when we come to line 16 recommendation, we are saying that let's create a structure that now has the main com who is going to the district, the EPA, Ghana Resource Water Commission, the Forestry Commission, if it's important, and get them to be part of the people who are making the recommendations.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasena Ogisoshan, Yantoso, na Yamungra Yansan for Fromo, or so for ya will share foreign affairs, so yes, Samuel. Okuje to a black one, the form and some pro ya what they boa pro call, ye adishia a sword, or the Nina Banawi Yama, what they are tuja. Omo ha obi a womo famo no ene ya wo wati wo betidi hu anomo na wadi hu djuma yamani boni ohina mponse de akire etwaso
oswafo no na wohwe amanone ensem so na wochire se Ghana fo wo amanone se woni da wonda isande se aban no de niam pii na gu akwan mu se de be ya odwuma bi a wo ye no so woni enya aban amane bia na no no chire se po ekusi se so bi ehu ekwadwam a aban no ebeka na chipampe na wodwuma bi a wodi no so etimi aboa na ebi nso ababoa amagana mpuntu odensem woni na atudha abra na wobo akro na wokoko bi te se eye beni na okoshia Ghana fo okotonu ofi ho nam no na odi na ni so eche Nigeria memu a ni nyina no obepie mu ewa Abuja na oni adwumayefo nso so antwe nkomo.
Really proud day for all of us, for me in particular, and I'm sure that when we brief His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama about what we have come to see here, what has been achieved here, the very remarkable story of resilience, of dedication, of what can be done when people defy the odds. Since arriving, I've been taken on a tour, and I must say that it's really been breathtaking. I've not only seen teaching hospitals, but what I have seen is a community that reflects the vision of our founding fathers.
There are some lokuja to a black one if you want them and now what in any actually move now on the Ghana phones question come on. Now what can someone was so come at the actual.
We are not going to leave anybody out, particularly those who are close to us. That is why on my first working visit to visit the Ghanaian diaspora, I decided to start in Africa. To start from our neighbors. Benin, Togo, Nigeria. That is what we need to do. Our program. We need to start from home. Charity must begin from home. We must start from the continent of Africa. So we'll make sure that the Ghana card issuance starts from Africa.
Nani yenuanu bi a won makodi Nigeria memu na won so edi ya wo said corruption ageme aboso nti wo se ya mampani John Dramani Mahama so mfane na nsi form se mampani na sa na ni su no emfi memu
Ghana fuete Nigeria memu etwemu a ketashe kankan ne proye ya wote nkasa ekoso wo mayimu no ha won mu adwene pa woni amane boni wo hinamponsa e kasa wa Abuja en wodi tu just Bribia wote sekretashe kankan ne proye bi ekoso e wo man Ghana mu a entwa wo mayi mu mfonyini pa emmo so ema o mayi impontu enkoso senti wode to mampanyi John Dramani Mahama nim se ne enimu yi a onfa ne nan si fom nan kanka Galamsey ya SSA o mayi nsuo ne ensase no onye bibi emfa ho
Ghana corruption everywhere eno na esa your mind but Ghana government in your we are not doing anything about it. We are rather encouraging corruption. Because so we don't do that. We are not fighting it. When I say I'm fighting corruption, corruption will continue to overrule us.
And which were the Asadakesi Emma, Oswafo, our shaman on insem so could you tell Blackwa, so what in Yaba, Nigeria, and a Ghana for 21 Ibidinkita home.
No, we are very happy with all that he said, and we are believing his words that he's going to look into all the issues that we have raised, that from now the consulate is going to support the Ghanaian community very well, and that he has assured us that the passport is going to be reduced to the barest minimum for Ghanaians living in Nigeria to be able to afford to have them. So we are looking, and moreover, he has assured us that the Ghana card machine will very soon be in Nigeria.
Ghana ni this year nenso ya wo no nwehiri abochime mu onye mfiedu no ene ababeto dwa sanka wode adubone famayi mu na wode akọ eye Nigeria nso penifonsa aka no kase no etwaso
Brantie Paka Darren Hezekiah osei wachere ne yawada for iso bosome de tosom yensa ebra no ti Ethiopia airline a free Bangkok Thailand mu ebedru Mutala Muhammad International Airport a ewo Lagos Femi Baba Femi director oda media and advocacy no ewo NDLEA na nkrata wode betu dwa no wachere asoye no ehunu wi anase ntampea waya ne boaboa aduasa ensia na ehye ne bag kese a wode etu kwanim oye nhwehwemu edikan no hunu se wosei ya wose oye computer science student ewo East London University ewo UK efri London ebedru Bangkok bese na wotwenie na oboaboa ne niema no a ode eba Nigeria isenti sesei Nigeria posifo ensa so ne mu a woye nsem no mu enhwehwemu
amenyere no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na media siasa da yodia emrani adaje a wode maye de bonkrata no wo ho online de no so aye krado ye de bro enchekra na sha no so se na sika sha nedi 10 cedi ne start ne twa *281# option 4 *281# option 4 ne twagum sa osu bedi bi ene se de etie bia no draw no beba so me enkomra ye ba de bonkrata ne online de no etwaso